Hey, what's going on, crypto people? It's your boy Crypto Siege with another day in the crazy life that is cryptocurrency, guys. What is going on? You know, as we like to say, there is blood in the street, guys. There is blood in the streets. It's and I, quite honestly, I love it. It is blood in the streets for sure, man. I'm wondering what's up. I wonder what you guys are doing. I wonder what your guys' strategy is. Kind of going forward. I'm gonna pull up CoinMarketCap here real quick and show you what's kind of going on, guys. Are you excited? Are you amped up about what's going on? Like really amped up about what's going on in the marketplace? I hope and I pray that you are. I hope and pray that you understand what's going on, what's truly going on in the cryptocurrency space. And to sum it up, old money is coming. Old money is coming into the marketplace. It is without a doubt, the biggest factor in the inevitable rise in Bitcoin, and then eventually, right, the alts follow as well. It is inevitable. Old money is coming. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. You know, the billionaires are in the space. Don't be fooled by JP Diamond. His company is in the space. Soros. It's two other billionaires. They're in the space. They're coming. ETFs, done. It's over. They'll be here. It's just a matter if it'll be at the end of this year or at the beginning of Q1 for 2019. But they're coming. Old money is coming, guys, right? So understand, institutional money that's ultimately owned by old money. So institutional money is coming, guys. It's coming without question, without a doubt. So I'm asking, what I'm saying is, what are you going to do about it? Do you understand the game? Do you understand the game, and are you playing the game correctly? Right? Do you understand the game? Right now, market manipulation is always going to be. It's in the stock market. It's going to be in any kind. It's in the commodities. It's in any space. It's going to be there. They run it. They run that, right? So they have their hands in the manipulation. And yes, they do in crypto, in the Bitcoin space as well. But if you know the game, you still win. Remember, we are early. You know, if you guys been in this for a few months, you're earlier. You've been in it longer than institutional money, right? You get that. If you've been in it a couple of years, way early. We're still early. This is going to be trillions upon trillions of dollars in market cap, trillions upon trillions. In market cap, it's just 120 billion right now. So I'm telling you guys, do you know the game? Are you playing it wisely? Look, when people see this, just all the red, Bitcoin in the red. Look at all this red. Look at all the red, right? I look at it as exciting times, right? This is our chance to participate in the greatest transfer of wealth in history of man, right? It's simple trading thing is buy red, sell green, right? You've heard that. Buy red, sell green. It's all red right now. What's your strategy? You know, in my last video, I talked about, you know, the strategy, the trading strategy that old money doesn't want you to know about. You got to check out that video. You got to check out the video. Get the strategy down. It doesn't matter about the money that you have. And in that video, I'll explain that. It doesn't matter how much dollars you have. The idea is to get into the space. So it's all red here. Now, why? The big question, the $64 million, $164 million, $664 million question is why? Why is this going on? And the answer is simple. Old money is coming. Old money is coming. They know how to drive this price down. They know how to do it. They want to be able to get in at the cheapest price that they possibly can. And in the end, that's what it is about. Look at this. Starbucks going digital bucks. A very big deal for crypto, says Tom Lee. I mean, just Intercontinental Exchange, a leading operator of global exchanges such as the New York Stock Exchange, clearinghouses, data and listing services, announced its new platform, BAKKT. Intercontinental Exchange hopes to collaborate with a suite of companies like Starbucks, BCG, and BCG while using cloud technology from Microsoft, right? This is a big deal. Like, this is a big deal. The BAKKT ecosystem is expected to include federally regulated markets and warehousing along with merchant and consumer applications. Its first use cases will be for trading and conversion of Bitcoin versus fiat currency. Right? That's institutional money, right? As Bitcoin is today the most liquid digital currency. Right? So this is the signal, guys, that they're coming. So I hope you've had a chance to participate in the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of man. I hope you get the game, and that game is old money doesn't want you to win. All you have to do is do your homework and check out the stock boom when the stock thing collapsed. Check out who was buying all the stocks and telling you not to. Check out the housing market when the housing market went bust. And you have to check out and do your homework and see who was buying up those houses, and you couldn't get a loan. You got to understand the game. You got to understand the game. Old money doesn't want you to win. Right? So you got to understand the game and play it. You understand the game and play. That's what we're doing. In the end, if we merely participate, educate ourselves and participate, this is the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of mankind. The sky's the limit. And the great thing about it is you don't have to have $20,000 and be $100,000 and be some kind of accredited investor. You don't have to. Not in cryptocurrency. You can be the average Joe or the average Jane, couple $100, played smartly, played correctly, spread out evenly. Check out the video I did. It'll explain it in detail what you need to do. You can participate in 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now with simple, smart, asymmetric investing. That's what we're doing. I'm not telling you what you do with your money. I'm not a financial planner by no means. I'm just merely sharing with you what we do, right? What we do. And I'm just trying to let you know this is our chance, guys. This is our chance to win. What does this say? Two worlds collide. That's an interesting thing. But breaching new markets. Business Wire notes that Intercontinental Exchange is a Fortune 500 company and Fortune 50 future company formed in the year 2000 to modernize markets. ICE serves customers by operating the exchanges, clearinghouse, and information service they rely upon to invest, trade, and manage risk across global and financial markets. I don't want to go over the history of this, guys, of that particular thing, but I do want to show you this. And this is an interesting thing to take note of. Bitcoin price drops, IPOs, and New York Exchange Bitcoin market. New York Exchange, guys. New York Stock Exchange. What else needs to be said, right? This week in crypto. Interesting thing. The Bitcoin price is down 15% this week. Ethereum is down 14% this week. The entire coin market cap is down 14% this week. And why do you think that is, guys? Why do you think that is? Again, old money's coming. So check this out. Some interesting things here, I think. Some comments for people who are bullish about the future of cryptocurrency. Bill Miller's bullish. Billionaire Bill Miller, the founder and CIO of Miller Value Partners, compared Bitcoin to gold and was bullish. Hedge fund manager, Bitcoin price is headed to $500,000. The founder of North Carolina-based Morgan Creek Capital Management said that he is sticking by his year-end Bitcoin price target of $25,000. That's not a stretch in the least bit. 25 is about it's ultra conservative in my humble opinion. Yesco originally made this prediction in April, adding that he expects Bitcoin to march to 75,000 by 2020, 200,000 by 2022, and ultimately eclipse 500,000 by the end of 2024. Pretty good. I think that he's off on those years by a couple of years. Bitcoin could be the first worldwide currency, says Bitcoin could be first worldwide currency. New York Stock Exchange owner, speaking with Fortune, ICE founder, chairman, and CEO Jeffrey Sprecher, explained that he believes that boasted by BAKKT's, which is ICO's crypto subsidiary infrastructure, Bitcoin could become the currency of choice for global payments. It's coming, guys. It's coming. And again, you don't need $7,000 to get some Bitcoin. You can start where you are. Start where you are. I promise you that. Tom Lee, Bitcoin price. What does this say? Did I read that? Okay, here's another one. Bitcoin price headed to new heights. Crypto hedge fund manager Spencer Bogart speaking on CNBC's Fast Money. Spencer Bogart of Blockchain Capital reinforced his prediction that Bitcoin is bound for higher price levels in the near future, as he thinks that the pullback momentum may have been exhausted. And there's some, there's a couple of guys who are bearish, right? Startups, you don't need to read the startups, but just think about those people. Think about the background of the people that are bullish. And one key thing to always look at is what are the exchanges doing? What's going on in the exchange world? Two worlds to always do your homework on: the blockchain world and the exchange world. Those are always good indicators for what's kind of going on, right? Biggest stock exchange operator to launch Bitcoin market. That's the Intercontinental Exchange. What else is it? Coinbase adds British currency support. Very smart. Router opens crypto trading to Georgia residents. All these things are great signs for what's going on in the market. So, but just understand this, guys. The reason for the price drop is because old money is coming. They call it institutional money. It's old money. It's coming into the marketplace, and there's a reason why, right? There's a reason why. And so, in the end, this is what I always say in every video. I say, look, we are in old money. Doesn't want you to win. Doesn't want me to win. Doesn't want you to win. Old money would rather us continue to be the cog in the wheel that they control and that they own. This is our chance to win. We are in the midst of the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of man. In the history of man, are you participating? Here's what I do know. The battle for you has already been fought, and the victory is yours. The question is, will you go get it? All right, guys, I'll see you. I'll talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.